Hello YouTube, welcome to Learnix Center. On this channel we are talking about how to find a good job and how to develop your skills and how to change your career for better. Are you stuck at the dead-end job right now? Are you looking for something better? Have you tried college already and still no job? Well, have you ever considered transitioning to the information technology? This is a very popular field right now and people making big bucks there. Do you need to know how to code or program? That's a big step for a lot of people, and not everyone knows how to do that. But have you ever thought about becoming a software tester? It's much easier to enter the information technology field through this door. Why? Because you don't need to program, you don't need to know how to code, not right away at least. It only takes 3 months to learn this interesting subject and start earning 70K or more per year right away. We have lots of people from all walks of life coming to this course, and none of them had prior education or experience, and yet they become successful professionals. So what is that? What is the software testing? Well, actually, if you are using internet already, if you're doing shopping, email, social networking, you're already a tester. You know how you go on the shopping website and you click on a button and it doesn't work, and instead you get an error message? Well, the job of the software tester is to make a report out of those errors and submit those reports to your colleagues. It's their job to fix it, not yours. You are just making note of that. And that's what we teach on this course. And like I said, it's only 3 months and 2 evenings out of your life. After that, you can apply for those jobs, which are plenty in Washington, D.C. area and other metropolitan areas across the US, and you can start earning 70K easily. And we even simulate the office environment for you. It's uncollege, so to speak, because in a typical college scenario, you have one teacher and multiple students sitting in a class listening to the instructor. That's not how we operate. We are different. You know, we have one instructor who gives you academic knowledge, and then we have a bunch of project managers, actual professionals who are bringing real projects from their places of employment, and you execute those projects, so you get hands-on experience. And once you've learned that, we have a group of professional recruiters and life coaches who are helping you to create resume, to rehearse, play telephone interview, in-person interview, market your resume, and help you get placed. So we offer free class, no obligation at all. Come for the free consultation, take a look at our books and materials, and decide for yourself if this is the right class for you. Hope to see you soon. I'm going to post our contact information under this video. Click on our website, write us an email, call us. We're here and we're going to help you. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.